Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee sugar, an easy method for that perfect crunchy topping. This simple technique transforms ordinary granulated sugar into a delightful, caramelized crust. You'll learn two effective ways to achieve this, using a kitchen torch for precise control or your oven's broiler for a quick alternative. Get ready to elevate your dessert with a professional-looking and tasting finish, adding that signature crack to every spoonful. For the torch method, begin by sprinkling about 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the chilled custard in each ramekin. Hold your kitchen torch flame approximately 2 to 3 inches above the sugar's surface. Move the flame continuously in a gentle, circular motion. Watch as the sugar melts, bubbles, and transforms into a beautiful, golden brown, glassy crust. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds per ramekin. If you don't have a kitchen torch, the broiler method works wonderfully. First, preheat your oven's broiler to its highest setting for several minutes. Place the sugared ramekins on a baking sheet, positioning them about 4 to 6 inches from the heat source. Crucially, watch them constantly through the oven door. The sugar will caramelize very quickly, often in just 1 to 2 minutes, so remove them immediately once golden to prevent burning. For the best results, always ensure your creme brulee custard is thoroughly chilled and firm before you add the sugar. This prevents the custard from warming up too much during caramelization. Apply the sugar and caramelize it right before you plan to serve, as the crust is at its crispiest then. If by chance your sugar burns, don't worry, simply scrape it off and apply a fresh, thin layer to try again for perfection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.